Looks nice in the backyard, Craig. Thank you. And now to a developing story. The FDA committee looking into a need for a Johnson & Johnson vaccine booster shot has made a decision.
CBS 4's Skylar Henry has what you need to know if you got the single-dose shot from Silver Spring, Maryland.
Dr. Chatterjee voted yes.
An independent FDA advisory committee voted to authorize a booster dose for people 18 and older with the Johnson & Johnson vaccine at least 2 months after the initial shot.
What we're seeing is that this is a group with overall lower efficacy than we have seen with the mRNA vaccine, so there is some urgency here.
The committee voted to approve the booster dose in spite of concerns about the trial data Johnson & Johnson presented, citing the reduced effectiveness of the vaccine over time.
There could be as many as close to 5 million people who are at risk of hospitalization based on the CDC study. Again, this is still a public health imperative.
FDA officials say the agency may consider taking action at some point to allow Johnson & Johnson recipients to receive a booster shot from either Moderna or Pfizer's vaccines instead of a second J&J shot.
In the real world, all these kind of combinations or extra boosters are already happening. So I think it's a matter of some urgency.
A new study found people with the J&J vaccine were better off getting a booster from either Pfizer or Moderna, but the study has not yet been peer-reviewed.
We don't know from these short-term studies what the longer-term effect of mix and match will be, and we just don't have those data.
The news comes as the Biden administration announced that fully vaccinated international travelers can cross the border into the U.S. beginning November 8th. Skylar Henry, CBS News, Silver Spring, Maryland.
And full authorization for booster shots for Johnson & Johnson as well as the Moderna vaccine could come as early as next week after the FDA takes it up for consideration.